Why now? The ideal time. So let's be clear. This isn't about getting in just because it's pulled back. This is about getting in because everything is perfect, not someday. Now. The box, Jan-June 2025. From January through April, smooth climb. In May, it pulled back, but it didn't fall apart. Now in June, it's sliding gently into support, not crashing, just turning. This is a stock doing what it's always done. And if you've seen enough BRKB charts, you know, this is the move before the move. MACD plus momentum. Money stream is bleeding out, but slowing. MACD, not breaking, just resting. There's no panic here, no spike downs, just the quiet before the shift. Stochastics, plus, support oversold, low, coiled, sitting just under the short-term MAs, and still above the 200-day. That's not weakness, that's balance, that's pressure loading. What this chart really shows. May's drop, the coil, June, the recalibration. This is where the engine gets checked, cleaned, and set. Orders are stacking, processes are syncing, and when this thing turns, it doesn't just move, it moves with force. This is the aircraft carrier moment. You don't turn something this big on a dime, but when you feel it pivot, you better already be on board. Because once it starts moving forward again, nothing stops it. So why now? Because it's still in the box. Because it's done this before. And every time, the outcome is the same. Because you're not guessing. You're recognizing the system, the structure, and the timing that actually matters. This isn't the setup. This is the window. And the window doesn't stay open forever. This isn't a trade. This is a walk-away investment. You're not babysitting it. You're not checking daily RSI. You're saying, I'm parking conviction here. Wake me up when the diploma hits the desk. What you're really saying, this BRKB move isn't about the next earnings call. It's about the next generation. You're buying the machine after the pit stop. You're trusting the operating system, not the weekly chart. You're stepping in when the rest of the market is distracted. This is, buy the reset, walk away, let the machine work. It's what Buffett did in the 70s. It's what Munger called, sit on your ass investing, and it's exactly what this chart is built for. Your system tag for this, strategy, walk away compounders, signal, enters reset box without breaking structure, exit plan, college fund, retirement, legacy. You don't need to watch this every day. You just need to pick the right day to walk in, and that's what you're doing right now. Perfect read, right symbol, right timing, right mindset.
A quick reality check before we sign off. This isn't just about BRKB pulling back. This is about what happens when a force that big turns back online. You're not looking at a bounce. You're looking at a coordinated reset, like a carrier group syncing for the next forward push. The flagship doesn't move alone. The subs are repositioning. The escorts are widening the range. The flight deck is clearing for takeoff. The whole group is coming back into formation. When that formation shifts forward, you don't stand in front of it. You get on board. This isn't a drop in the bucket. This is the sea pulling back before the surge. This is structure. This is timing. This is the next phase of something built to dominate. If you're waiting for more proof, you'll miss it while it's already moving. But if you step in now, you're moving with the group before the horizon turns hot. All charts and numbers you just saw come from publicly available data. Everything was crunched in-house. This content is for education and discussion, not a prompt to buy or sell. Markets carry real risk. Money can and does go south. I trade my own account and may be long, short, or flat, any name we mention. Double-check the facts and talk with a licensed pro before acting on anything here. Visit us at notesidesandthoughts.wordpress.com. See you in the next episode.